Set that aside. Now this is actually a recipe. It's definitely, but it is an Italian style dessert, and I find citrus zest and chocolate paired together in Italian. It's a beautiful combination. I love the idea of lemon zest and chocolate. I'm going to let that cook again for another few minutes, or a few seconds, I should say. Grab my 3/4 of a cup of butter, which I've melted. So getting all my components together. I'll grab a spatula. There we go. So mix so it's nice and foamy and foamy. And so I've got first my chocolate with the sugar brown of the chocolate and the almond. Just pour that combined, and then I'll pour in my melted butter here. Yes, but a relatively simple. And then I have 2 cups of almonds, which have been lightly toasted.